Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We back with another one,
Bafethu. We just witnessed Orlando Pirates versus Devon City, Mapagania. Obviously, you know the grill before we even get into it, Mapagania. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, Mapagania. You know it helps us keep the light on, Mapagania. It's absolutely free. Don't let anyone fool you telling about banking details. It doesn't work like that. With me, Mapagania, to analyze the game in Namachite studio, goes to Mnati.
Mnati bafo. We're still winning this league. So
Yeah.
I'm still good. Yeah.
Mr. Mlambo, Ukraine.
Asimnandi shili Pagania, but it dreams delayed are not dreams denied.
Yeah.
Still on it, Baba.
Still on it. And with us, Mapagania, Sino, Smanga in the studio, Smanga Mnati.
Bucks and bucks.
Mnandi Mapagania. Yizo.
Yeah. No, I still don't know. I like who favorite team you boy.
Favorite team maybe now.
Ikaw.
Fivi Pagania.
Hablo channel Pagania. Ayo tabavi.
Favorite Pagania.
Hablo pa skipa, ska bua fela ka mlomo, re batla wena skipa fe.
Matok next year kana coach me talk. Ke ke patse Twitter Pagania ska wa.
Yeah.
Bopa. So as you know, Mapagania, yesterday was Orlando Pirates versus Devon City. Obviously, we went to the stadium in Namachito studio to analyze the game. Mr. Mlambo, obviously, we did the post-match interviews and who stood out for you? Or maybe you can even tell us about the experience, sold out affairs, Scotine.
Yesterday it was different. Mengathi asike Orlando mfethu.
Yeah.
We always there at Orlando. Mako yakhumbula mfethu nange parking. Bekune traffic galore there. Ukuthi singene, we had to fight and we were I think 45 minutes before the game.
Yeah.
But mase bavalile. We also saw on social media ntanga abanye abantu kubenzima ungena izinto ezikanjalo. But amabhakani ami wa happy. I understand also why abafana they were pressurized because yontanga yesterday it was something else.
Yeah. And fun, I don't remember like seeing atmosphere and see created is all on fit.
Yeah.
I think you said it in Curtis Plomilo. Oh, I think it was Ghost who said them for to check and for to like there's no like I'm a city where they were not enough. You understand that? So for to hey, that's crazy and then Ghost more and done.
Yeah, it was too much. It was overcrowded, in fact.
Yeah.
Because
I think that's the word.
Yeah. And if you could check in fact to the staircase, in fact, everywhere you couldn't walk, in fact, but never shivle from everywhere, in fact, to the corridor and the gates, in fact. So yeah, that's a bit of a safety concern. And Giboni, even half time, I was out there, and I could see in fact people are still outside wanting to come in.
Yeah.
But and then I saw another thing, because next
Yeah.
at the gate, not time like an old man, like time
Yeah.
the valley sister. What okay, like they're holding up the queue fit to Raku gate, and like we wanna like with the first entrance.
Yeah.
What? So a re ra ke na ra ba bona bogata ke a bona se le kurashi ra bona ya bona ni geni no bona a se ke a tumela phela ke late ke a se gore ba tlo kwala di gate is gale wa bona
Yeah.
a ile ma gata fete ba chaela fete keep na matigiti ke dinge a bona di tigiti batho it's like a bona di tigiti
It's how the crew.
e betse mo le go le vale sister ka ife ta no galmela ngo mo fete wa
Yeah.
so I think that ring ke issue serious and what ba fete ke bona ba etsang the overcrowding. And even another thing in as I was saying half time I went outside.
Yeah.
This guy is telling me like but a quantum is like a branch or something.
Yeah.
They are like 15 or 16 in a quantum.
Okay.
And he's like, in fact, only 4 of us have tickets. The rest of the other guys don't have tickets. If they were like so one up Hambi.
Yeah.
So like this thing it has become like a serious issue and like but say normalize it or even if you don't get tickets, even if they say it's sold out, you're still gonna go there. Until of course
Of course, no, it's not something that we condone, but Ghost in that case I would understand because the ticket really sold out fast. There's some guys, obviously we don't condone that, but who sell like legit tickets that go go gating. I will tell you, if I have a ticket on my phone, you know, I can go with you, rescan so that you see that it's legit.
Yeah.
And then no one can But obviously, as I said, it's not something that you don't condone. Don't have it you or advise to you if tickets are sold out. Just stay at home. You should go boxing. I saw videos also on social media, and I think you shared something that even Sunday Sun I saw on their TikTok on Facebook, there was a video on Facebook that's bad on Facebook, like that on Facebook, it's stampede. People like jump a defense and so like that. I think something really needs to be done and so because as well, it's not only but well or aba it. It's not only but well or aba party tickets. Some come with fake tickets and so on. And then they force their everything. For instance, we as he said, if we filtered up 45 minutes early, but we didn't tell you this thing. But to regain it, if it were for stealing, the gate, imagine 45 minutes to kick off.
Sure.
Like we are early 45 minutes. But these guys are shutting us out. Like we had to force our way. So it was bad. If it was bad, and other people ended up as a because back with the gate.
Yeah.
I feel sorry for Bosestere because Bosestere, you know, our physically, they won't force their way into things. They're just gonna stand on the side, even though they have like legit tickets. It's bad. If something must be done.
But you know, Fana, when I saw that incident, then Seke explained at that time, I feel like that's the solution. Like, let's scan the tickets at the first entrance. Fair venue. Let's sort out the ticket there. Do you have a ticket? Let's scan it. Okay. And then once you're in there, I'm like chaos.
Because it becomes something else if he shows you a fake ticket, I can help the second point, and then I'm on the last point. Commotion it
Nana se vale at that point. So if you sort it out there, far, come round, first gate. I think you've got it.
But another thing in Tanagayo, I think that's a good one, but now it's over Shagai because what's was low. I feel like but they must come up with something. If it's like this thing, like if it literally someone said tigiti by shave like machine one house pani by shave like extra 1 or 2 minutes so like that time Rona, you know we have that thing like maybe 30 minutes before the game so I say relate that what pushes for almost again. I think they must find something smooth in future. I don't know. Or baga innovative
imagine that number pela reshaka di security points stay 3 before game. Imagine if you deploy those two in that same entrance or like entrance here like rotobana le batho ba baya ba tlo scanner process a lot of people
manpower. Like if we can have more people, I think it's gonna be much better. If maybe by 6 let them add another 6.
Exactly.
You understand? So move fast.
And then there are police there.
There are police there. And number police have
you scan the ticket to again. I'm not.
Yeah, I think also cause later more scan thing. But thing is phone is scanning. It's all like you find the other 2 guys they are just sitting there. At least I want to buy like more equipment so that everyone there must scan so that people move.
Yeah, that's also a good point.
They must really find something. But I thought that thing it's an FNP thing. So if it's now Orlando thing as well, I really don't know. Because Orlando, let's be honest, 60,000, it's not that much. Post-match interviews and
Ntango Dlamini. Wadu. 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 Wadu, you killing Orlando Pirates. Wadu. He was my best man. Obvious, no chairman. Our chairman will tell you them. Chairman is always positive. You understand? That guy looks always. And every time when I look at his post-match, goes in down. Silent Dangaringa interstate. ukuthi ibhakaniya uzothatha ileague. Yeah.
Dwana.
Yeah, I think intangana mi chairman unginikile. Let's not press panic button.
Yeah,
And I think I share the same sentiments fully in fact to where chairman is in fact and let's not press panic buttons. We are still taking this league.
Yeah. Definitely. In fact, mine is also Jawu and Chairman, you know, and so that Jawu raised some valid points. But Chairman, I like that as well. In fact, don't press panic buttons. And so, beat, it's done. And so, like, get it. Shout out to Wonder Boy. And so, our man of the moment. Wonder Boy.
Wanda la mapagani.
Yeah, so just to give you guys a context for Pagania, Wonder Boy, it's one of our Pagania who've been consistent throughout supporting the channel. He came through yesterday, he was excited. He even said, I've been looking for PFTV. Ngiyale, ngawaboni. Manginbona ghost.
That was the nice moment. Mangibona ghost. It was a nice moment.
Yeah. Shout out to Wonder Boy.
Ghost. Ushintshe emphakathini.
Yeah, that wasn't even Paris first. It was just happy to see Ghost.
Ghost. Young combo straight. Oh, Ghost. Like that's young recognized.
Crazy. But Wonder Boy, you hardly see you on the comments. Just show your hand so that we see who you are. On the comment, on the YouTube.
Email.
Email
Wonder Boy.
Yeah, but you must come for more post-match interviews.
Sure.
So beautiful, in fact. He even said he likes our channel, in fact. You must keep going, one sort. Encouraging stuff, in fact. Encouraging stuff.
Proper shout.
Yeah. Mr. Mlambo, he came in Dana.
Igame intanga yo. Yabona ngithe mase ngihlala endlini ukuthi nje sike siligwinye understand. I don't think like abafana badlale kabi kakhulu.
Yeah.
I'll still say like the movement of the ball, because angithi Durban City came with a plan, which is their plan worked. They knew that we are under pressure, we want to win, we want to take the league, but say bona sizohlala la sizopaka ibhasi. I understand that thina mesil move ibhola, but I don't think we created more chances than we once had, especially first half. I think mesingadla ngama corner kicks, because if you can check goes I think within 10 minutes I think sole 2 or 3 and bebasivulela la ukuthi sidlale la. I think mesingayenza something against Chiefs siyenzile la thing, so I understand, but we were just unfortunate. Second half ntanga ayisizile zazama ukugurasha, but I think esayidini la kasibilibili ngathi usibilibili mekangafuni ukudlala. That's that.
I kept on crying.
I kept on crying.
I don't know who started to me.
That's why
Mr. Mlambosi was.
I felt ngathi like urelaxe kakhulu ntanga. uMike Mamosha mfethu umela mthatha umuntu esayidini uzofuna ukubuyela nebhola emove. Mina into mengikhalisa izolo, especially second half, moving the ball fast. Angithi Durban City ntanga meyimakile. So nathi let's be active. Sometimes our police unokungena amguideline. Akafuni yena ukuthatha iline, naye ufuna ukungena still. I think mina ntanga those kind of things yiyo meyangaswinela le game, moving the ball fast. Angithi you see these guys bazopaka ibhasi. Lento cause we once spoke about this thing. Ukuthi abantu babepaka ibhasi asidlaleni, but the main aim yokudlala silise side fast. Sathatha silise side ngapha mesingabavuli.
You see kwanze naga like Mr. Mlambo for Usibilibili yesterday coast.
Yeah, not as much as Mr. Mlambo Akala, yabo. Yeah, but I think in fact it was just one of those days for the team. In fact, we just needed the ball to get in the back of the net. It just wasn't coming. So yeah, I think that's the end up. That's where we end up now, wanting to look for people to blame and whatnot. Now for now, I was chilled, man. It's a throw. It's one of those results.
Lose.
Yeah, I can take it. It's not for me. In Donna, like I'm not worried. We're going into Obit. We'll win against Obit, and we lift that trophy. So yesterday, in fact, I think overall everyone in fact contributed. They tried. You could see everyone, even the coach, in fact, to the lineup. In fact, introduction ya Slepe for me proper.
good, yeah.
Kutala ngikhala ngoslepe mina mfethu. Yeah, bring Slepe mfethu. That's the best CDM we have there in Orlando Pirates.
Yeah, I agree with that, Mr. Mlam.
Yeah, hayi khohlwa kunalabo bathi bayampressa ntanga
Bana, who does that?
wajika
10?
uPensen. I think he played so well.
Yeah.
And yangithola into engiloku ngizama uku-emphasize. I'm not saying Mariko played bad. I'm not saying Ndaba played bad. But what I'm saying is they were unnecessary. Amanye amabhakaniya bazokutshela ukuthi uSlepe was on a yellow. Mika ngiyeka ayithole i-red card. Akekho umuntu mika spressa la. Mika ngahlala mfethu. Mina isub mengi-expect ntanga umuntu ozoya phambili. Umuntu ozozivulela ini. Uhothi as much as mika ngadlali miyekele lapho. You understand? Miyekele lapho if uyafaka ke mfake ke umlungu sibone ntanga ukuthi isibhudubhudu esenzakala la senza kuyenzakalana. Because uMariko ungenile he pretty much did what Slepe did. You understand?
Yeah.
Mfethu Slepe meka ngayidlala i90 minutes meka ngeke khapha umuntu sithole i-red card la. The way game elingakhona. Mina into engiyikhalelayo I'm not saying Mariko Ndaba played so bad. I'm saying lama sub ucoach akawafakile. Mesingafaka amanye just to make us ukuthi sibe more dangerous.
I get your point. And I had a chance to look at the game back and understand.
Yeah.
That introduction, Mariko, I think he had a good game, you want to. He made a few progressive passes, on tour. And I was surprised because the first time in a long time when I saw Mariko, actually now Mariko, it's one of those guys that I feel like he's not ready yet, one tour.
Yeah.
But when I checked yesterday's game, I don't think he played bad, one tour. I think for me, it was in the coach's mind, it was the thing of let's introduce someone with fresher legs because Slepe hasn't been playing, so you can't bring him from the stands and give him 90 minutes. Let's bring in someone who fresh. I understand. So for me, good game for Reading. I think it's a good start for him. When the lineup came out as well, because I was not complaining. I was like, I mean, Cash hasn't been giving us that level. Slepe, let's see Slepe what he can do. Plus, Ghost has been crying even from the DTC.
Sure.
So I was like, let's bring it on. I don't think it was a bad also for my 60 minutes from Slepe. Nah, it was Amide. Just that in we're not fit late. There were a few loose touches from Slepe. But that's something that you'd expect from someone who has not been playing. Also, someone from Pagania saying, you can't take someone from there on this magnitude of the game and throw him there. Much as he's a good player, plenty of potential, but let's relax and let's go with what we normally go for. I want to also fit.
Yeah.
I can tell you now, Mr. Mlam, that result, the Sundowns CTS Galaxy, made us not to win this game. You could see in faith. Those guys were relaxed in faith. If they had the same energy where they knew Sundowns just won 3-0, 7-4, going with that same mentality, I think we would have easily won that game. I said it on my post-match interview. But I think lack of experience costed us the game yesterday. We should have won that game. But if we had people who've been in this situation many times, title-winning teams, I think they tell these young boys to switch on. We need to score as early as possible. Because we came out.
Sure.
Like atmosphere. I don't remember seeing that atmosphere Scotine. Goosebumps experience goes to fit. Mapagania bin. Fela mfit nal Mr. Mlambo ke na ra mfit ra hlodisa mfit. Wela ke wow.
Nela ke hlala
khona. You check ara center line mfit. Oh check center line mfit you. Ka ke bo ma art mfit. Like beautiful view and so.
Yeah.
Imagine if it's getting in the stadium 45 minutes early, but you couldn't even find a seat. Until I was packed out until that way. And another beautiful moment as well is when they introduced the DDC. Go to the
Trophy parade.
trophy parade. That time, I'm still wiping my chair. intanga pheka wabona ngithi ke batla phumula fast ke bone wetsala ke utla mfethu skoti sa hlanya wa ntsola this raw etla wa ntsola ke ya sheba mfethu andwana tse mfethu da sha parade nyana la ko skoting da wa ntsola le trophy ya zona wa ntsola so mfethu overall na I'm still content wa ntsola I'm like we still going to do this thing wa ntsola just that yesterday the boys le bona they needed that sense of agency wa ntsola ke le I don't know Mr. Mlambo or that Dlamini guy was a favorite because that guy said in fact we need to get rid of
Itikubonise something.
He said,
Itikubonise something.
and I checked what he said. So he said Rudy Kroll won
let him
treble
go. Then
and then they
Bamani.
got rid of him. Wantola ke le ding.
It's ngikubonise something. I'm not saying what you must go or what, but what I'm saying, umzwile mekakhuluma ngo Slap. He's a good player. Played so well. Angithi angizwa ngikhala ngoMariko noNdaba introduction yakhe.
Yeah.
Uslepe amanye amabhakane ngiya understand lapha buya khona. Slepe didn't play bad. You understand? Mariko didn't play bad. Ndaba didn't play bad. But we are questioning ama decisions ka coach akawayenzayo. Angithi if you knew ukuthi uSlepe uzokhathala in 60 minutes. Ngcono simfake second half. You understand? Just him making better decisions. Now uzositholela ama results. Ngishilo izolo ukuthi angimshayi kakhulu ngiya understand kokunye ukuthi why akuyenzini because we didn't have subs. But mina what I'm saying, angithi we did have abomremi ubuya from injury. Yes, ungenele bani kanje?
Tito ya.
Ungenele uTito. Mina I'd prefer ukuthi uTito noma ngaphumi. Ahlale la. Angithi we need a goal. Ahlale la, sibe nomremi, sibe noTito, sibe noRile, sibe noApolis. If uqala uMariko or if uqala uCash is fine. Yangithola. I didn't like the fact ukuthi we need a goal we chasing. But we still putting our defensive players. You understand? Yes, our defensive players angenile, which is the likes of Mariko, bangena bashama progressive passes and whatnot. You understand? But what I'm saying is the decision ukuthi if we need goals, we need to win. Let's start like ngokuthi I man desifuna ukuwin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know at that point where you saying coach I'm
No. I'm not saying the coach must go, but I'm saying the coach must improve. Must improve. Azlali finder coach. This is not a finder mfethu. You saying the team is not matured enough, you haven't been in this stage.
Yeah.
Also goes toward, you understand? Uyabonisa ukuthi like usa experiment. We can't experiment now. Look at this. If Sundowns was still on it, by winning like in CS Galaxy, big pressure kuyo manje. Kuba nzima for the boys. Even now, we still have another game siya embombela ukuthi yodlala. Yes, we still have hope, but the boys are under pressure. You understand? If siqeda la ekhaya mase alapha yas. Sesihlisile, you understand? So what I'm saying, the coach must improve in some of the decisions akazenzayo. Angathathi izinto kancane.
Yeah. No, true, ntanga true mfethu. Nami ngiyakhala mfethu. I wanna la mfethu good. I mean mfethu like a draw. It's the same as lose in that situation. Sure. Well, why don't you just throw in the kitchen sink at it? I mean, you have Podlela and CM. What are they doing there? Those guys didn't have any ambition. They are just sitting back. Never go counter. If we have Spilibili tucking in, and we have Hoto tucking in, and then we leave CM maybe we sacrifice or Podela, never fit, like just be anyani fit. I wanna just throw the kitchen sink, and as I said, the last time I was watching Sundowns, they did that when they needed points or when they needed goals. I mean, if it's what's stopping us from doing the same. And then obviously it was nice to see Umoremi back in Danga. How did you think your office cameo?
I think
and I was excited because I had lost hope he'll come back this season.
Yeah. And siyabonga ukuthi upholile ntanga. And I think I did tell you because mohleli phambi kwami ukuthi mina uMoremi uye ngathi ufuna ukudlala noMbatha.
Yeah,
understand. I did tell you that. Because yibo mibabonisa man.
Yeah.
Really na police off. Sibilibili lento le ngitshela ngayo. Like ngathi bebangafuni ukudlala Ghost. But tetene yena noMbatha ngada. But uMbatha mekazama mfethu. Muremi ube wangena uqale on the left, came on the right, was trying ukungena phakathi, ashaya. That's what we wanted to see from the other guys. I think uMuremi udlale better than laba abanye mebakhona izona.
Yeah. Ghost, Miramis Comio.
No, I think Lena very happy to see him back, leading up to the World Cup as well. Yeah, I think Mobano Zamil, in fact, he really tried. Yeah, goes back to my word, in fact, it was just not our day yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll get to that day. We'll get to Ovid College segment one time. Now, can we check on that Sundowns game? Because obviously we watched the Sundowns final Mapagania versus what's the team? It's Farabat. So, what do you think of them, Mr. Mnamu? They got a 1-0 win.
Ngathi akusi-final, Sundowns mayidlala yodwa lapha. Ngathi akusi-final. And sometimes we're just unfortunate. They got chances, they got chances. Second half especially. And Mkwenu ushaya ipali, you understand? I think maybe le game bangayewina 3 or 4, you understand? Bambi bangcono. Mina ayangibabambeli maqhubu mapakaniya on this one, you understand? So mina I'm saying whatever happens, CAF happens, you understand? Whether bawinile kuzoba buhlungu nakithi because bazothola inkanyezi esi2, but whether bawinanga akukho buhlungu, but generally on the game Sundowns mayidlala yodwa mfethu. Those guys bafike kanjani finally we don't know, but when it comes to CAF Ghost singasho so because they were playing in South Africa. But mabefike ekhaya ntanga
Exactly.
that's what I've experienced, like ngokubona iCAF yabona manje ngabona ngathi these guys abekho mabefika ngada umangalo ukuthi kanti these guys are so good like this.
You read my mind, like that's what I was coming to. Don't look at this first league and think those teams they knew until I think if you were to offer them Iwan like before the game, I was let's go back to Morocco. It's finally 1-0 in Kenya.
Sure.
At that side, you know it's going to be a hostile atmosphere. But Sundowns, obviously, they have the experience, they have the know-how, So I think they have the best squad, best budget. I think they might do something. But in terms of wishing them well, lose
Yeah. But I think for me, there's no quality in that Moroccan team. Yeah, I don't think they will hit Sundowns. Even away, they can try their dirty tactics. I think Sundowns will walk away with the title. They're not convincing, Chief.
Sundowns.
No, like you could see already these guys bashaki decision making. These guys are not good. Final third in fit little break in fit you these guys in fit. The player holding the ball will hold it for too long. And then you ask yourself what is this?
But Ghost, don't count them out, yabo, because abafikanga nje ngefinder lapha abakhona. You understand? So that's why ngisho ukuthi njengoba Mr. Kwetasho boniwa i1-0 feels like a win. Because they know when they come they go that side and now uzomangala ukuthi decision making yala machita la baya understandana bayatholana, the ball is moving so fast. I don't think like they are weak. You understand? I just think ukuthi mebangapha they just wanted this game to end by a guy.
But that free kick in the goalie should have done better. How can they beat you where you are standing? I mean, 91 cover it must just be
bounce da.
Iponsanga leyo. He's a street. Ngithola mfethu. Ize la mekhona. This guy is standing behind the wall. Kahle is positioning. Yes, kahle is positioning. Mfethu. How can you make ibona la? And then you stand behind. Ayibona.
It was OP.
And if you were to check that ball like Grand, this scale mfethu like it's not even fair. It's within his reach. Even we touch it. I was like, this is poor goalkeeping, man. Poor one.
I know that's like I'm convinced, but like I'm not worried for Sundowns. Like they're gonna take it.
Yeah.
They've been trying.
You see the VR there.
Yeah, I saw it, but did they have any incident to look at?
No,
they
like
didn't. Or
like,
the cameras were there.
no, second half ayiqala.
Yeah.
It was delayed ke boma 15 minutes.
Oh,
Apparently,
yeah.
yes, apparently there was a technical fault or something.
With the VAR.
With the VAR, and then the game had to continue
without
for like 10 or 15 minutes without VAR.
Oh, I missed that.
yeah abokhozi kumele bavumelane ukuthi bayavumelana ukuthi game iqhubeke or what ne.
I'm not sure if our coach. I think our referee was in the decision. I know we'll play. Babi's my play, and then we'll play without VAR. There's technical issues,
But that's
and then that
embarrassing.
after 65 minutes, you see a referee. He's signing with VAR.
Man.
Respect.
That's embarrassing.
It was it.
Especially for final, it's embarrassing.
Final.
No, but then it goes back to exactly that. Or why don't you have this thing like throughout the tournament,
Yeah.
even on the preliminary rounds, everything? Then it gives them more chance to practice and get better at this
And
thing.
even on the leagues,
Yeah.
Coast, we need it.
Sure.
If you get in, but 2018 VAR,
Sure.
2019, 2018, yeah.
2018 Rush, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been 10 years now, Pel. So good 10 years, Vitu. We need this thing done.
Yeah, but other African leagues they have, but it is salary. I think about 4 young told, and we are claiming to be number 1 on the continent. But
We understand the Coast.
But for now, it's careful. You understand that this thing. I hope we'll be better prepared to host this thing. Because imagine in that 15 minutes, there is an incident where linesman didn't pick up an obvious offside.
Sure.
Those guys would start making noise.
And as well as it now, if we need if that thing happens, it's no longer
You
fair.
know, sure.
Because now,
Yeah,
because now it happens after the VAR is back for the other team and you call it back.
yeah.
Sure.
Wabona jwanong ha e sa balance.
I think they also owe us an explanation if it what really happened.
Yeah.
Because I mean, when they went to the changing room half time, it was looking fine.
Yeah.
And then second half,
Unless if it wasn't working.
Oh yeah. Someone asked that. Was it really working before the game started?
That's a sense
Asobona khona. Try sobona khona.
that's a good point.
Nebazi ukuthi game ngeke iqale manje ngathi ayasiqaleni so batshela ke have time.
I hope our minister was watching, the minister of sports. They don't rush things and they are not properly planned, and then now you become a laughing stock to other
Yahlekisa
nations.
it's embarrassing.
Yeah. And then moving on to the big one, Mr. Mlambo. This Saturday, it's Ovid College versus Orlando Pirates. It's a must-win, Mr. Mlambo. It's simple. If you don't win this game, you want to. It's chai. It's chai. If you do want to, hey, that will be bad. Goes to fit. You got it. If it have been saying, worry. But if he fails to win this game,
This guy.
if he fails to win this game, goes to fit.
One question.
He can't fail to win this game. He can't. He simply can't fail.
Yeah.
On the last game of the season, you playing against the bottom team,
Yeah.
Ovid College, and you're telling me, Ori, when you desperately need those points, the supporters will be there. It will be a sold-out affair, and then you fail to win that encounter. And I don't think you'll fail, to be honest. So I think you're going to easily win that game.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, young Todd,
Yeah.
it's a must-win game. Full stop for me.
Yeah, definitely. And it doesn't get easier than that.
Doesn't get easier than that.
You win,
so.
you will take the cup.
One all, it doesn't get easier than that.
Angathintathindi. Wadu. Wadu. Ngathintathindi nda.
But I feel like he has to tinta. I don't know, but okay, you can hear your version first.
Mina ngithi i-first 11 yethu akube first 11 yethu. Angathinti la, ayeke la, athinte la.
Because you know
ayeke la.
where's the dilemma, Mr. Mlombo. Angithi Muremi is back, young Todd. Tito has been playing.
Ithingi, Mrem qala ngaphandle.
For you.
For me, qala ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Uzongena second half. Angithi mekalolo kangekho. He must fight to get back. And siyazi ukuthi noma ngena second half, Mrem uzosishaya ispan. So mina we start the same. Asikhiphe uslap udlale kahle kakhulu, but either ngifaka cash lapha ya, it's fine. Siyazi ukuthi it's standard. Then sidlala ngaleyo 11 mfethu. Swing game. Second half is if izinto umbuthuma ngiyamdonsa. You understand? Ngifaka unganasisi. If izinto asisebenzi second half, that's when sizo introduce abanye.
I don't know. I don't know. But for me, I feel like we really need Muremi in that game. Even if you can give us 60 minutes, young child. Muremi, I don't know, coach. Please try to be creative. Of course, young child. Tito must be there as well, young child. Old College will do the same thing that Devon City did yesterday. They're gonna sit at the back. You're gonna have again 77% of the ball. Young child. We need it jam down. Master Chef must be part of the squad.
Yeah.
Master Chef must be there. Because we might need him. You don't know. But what I'm saying is, Moremi must give us at least 60 minutes, Ghost. If he's coming from injury, they're trying to ease him in. Tito as well. We need that creativity. It's either he can take out Telepe and put in Tito there. Because those guys will be defending. You don't need your Mbata and then your Celeb or your Mbata and your Cash.
We need Mbata and your dancing. You understand? Dancing mina ngamfaka lapha ya. Because le Antona leya.
I'm not sure about dancing.
Dancing mina ngamfaka lapha ya. If ngakhona ukufaka uslap angadlalanga isizini yonke. Dancing has always been there. You understand? Aphakamisa isandla. And going forward, that boy is good. If angifaka udancing, Master Chef ngamfaka lapha ya.
Bella dancing, if something happens, we don't win that game. I'm going to hammer that dancing and the coach.
That's the sad thing. They're gonna come for dancing.
They're gonna come for dancing, like really, really come for dancing. Now for protecting the boy and himself, Lena coach, let's rather go with players that we've been playing with. Sure. Go with Tito, go with that ready. That Moremi guy.
Sure. I agree with you. With Mremi Mfetsu, for me, Mremi starts.
Mremi must start, in fact.
Yeah, and I think Mfetsu, that Mukoko game, Mfetsu, once all.
Yeah.
Yeah, we started Mremi Mfetsu. A police really, Mfetsu, once all.
Sure.
Let's go with all the sugar. I'm a track and fit mawangene second half masses chase as one with akusebenzing wabona kenye mbutuma let's come out the same time
indaba ngimame ufuna ukuzitrack ukuthi ubani
mbutuma let's come on
track ukuthi ubani
yeah I think maybe at some point in the game goes maybe 60 minutes cause if you talk about the coach must leave it too late. Come on, 80 minutes.
Yeah.
If there's no solution and then our that too forward, then we're trying to launch and then there's going to be delays, out balls, goalkeeper. You must keep it on the ground. Let's play, let's make them work. Please, coach, Master Chef must be there. Master Chef must be there. Master Chef, we might need Master Chef. Because this game, when you look at the bench, okay, Mremi was there, but Mremi just called from injury. Shout out to him because he looks sharp. For someone who's been out, you expect rustiness, none. But he was alive, even when he went on the right side.
Sure.
You understand? So for me, to attack, Ghost.
Yeah, definitely. I didn't agree. And even that thing, Mrao Mfetsu, for me, we can even go Kasbele, Siema and Hotu. Just those three.
Yeah, Bele, Siema and Hotu. Yeah.
That can be a back three. Yeah.
Sure, Mr. Mlongo. That's it. That's a nice one.
Sure.
So Zala full packs. If you're doing like Pella, I need to Zala 3. Finally, Zala full packs. Should the 3 layer invert?
Yeah.
Or we saying you're going to play with 3 and then these two hot ones they still go up and down.
No. Even though they can invert, they're still fine. But I'm just crying an extra body forward. Not an extra body that is unnecessary, sitting at the back doing nothing.
Exactly. No, even you saw Kokemia Moban or Siamane say 2 must strike.
Strike one all. And you know what's sad, Ghost, is that Siema will get that one chance.
Sure.
and he'll skate high.
Hey,
And
so
that's
that
exactly
cross,
what happened.
hey,
But
he got
if
an
you had
opportunity.
your forward guy there, he
True.
pretty much know what to do there.
Yeah.
That's sad. In fact.
Yeah.
When we need a forward player there so that in fact, when he goes forward, when he gets that one chance, Mr. Mlobo,
Buries
he
it.
buries that chance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That game is done.
And wabona lena sema mfethu rida, like you can see you Kiemil Potle, like we are doing nothing.
You're doing
But,
nothing.
mfethu akusayida no one will go.
Sure,
And
sure.
even if Podlela goes, you know Podlela is never gonna score. So Semaran mfethu took a decision. He had to go. So let's sort that thing out. Mfethu simple. Podlela uzongena second half Pamisi trophy dog.
Yeah.
Relax. Podlela sifaka uCMR sino sibilibili sino hot.
Sure.
Then let's faka all the cream mfethu from that 7 esethinye mfethu. Let it be cream.
Let it be
mfethu.
cream.
We know there's a goal in every one of them. Coach, you know,
Sure,
everyone in
sure,
there can
sure.
score a goal, can assist a goal.
Sure.
Then we won that game.
Yeah, Spashanga like 7.
Yeah, sure, this one is massive, Mopagani. It's 14 years, Mopagani. 14 years. You shouldn't be in this situation. To be honest, you know, for that game.
I'm telling you. You should have done.
It's
You lose.
Hey,
Because I said
it's
that
a
next. I
lose.
see the next.
But at least this is a confidence. Yeah, if it was a lose,
yazi bezosiza ngani if bathi 20 points yazi ukuthi next game masinga 20 point sayithatha.
exactly, sure.
So
It's a lose, but at least this one, at least the spirits of Afana, they can draw from Sundowns on. At least we through. But this one, it's massive. It's
massive. Yeah, it's massive.
So Mopagania Pirates Fans TV will be there. No maganjani, in fact. It's a historic moment. We'll be there helping the boys to lift the trophy. There's no other way, Coach.
There's no way.
You must
Yeah,
lift that trophy.
Yayizwa liyasho iqhijo baba. Hayi.
There was this one that I did with who was that guy? I'm sure you're king. I don't know. That's a
Le
boy
ami
for
kumele ayithole 20,000 kudzime egcwele. Kugcwele. Kugcwele.
Ekashayile.
Bekashayile. Ayabona ntanga hey bekashayile ubhuti hey.
Yeah, ekashayile. Cause I think you can move on to already. Our log, unless I'm missing something.
Yeah, no, we can do our luck, gentlemen. Kiyakushintsanga okuningi, just going from 34 games to 35 games. Ama-points asahleli bafethu, Fire leading 4 points, and ibukeka ngathi uzohamba nayo le ndebe.
Uhambe naye hayi ukuthi ngathi.
Mara ngithi phela nge-last day mfethu.
Uhambe naye noma thina singathola into 3 points.
Mara fela ifedile mfethu. Wona batla refete safela.
Kama pagania correct information. Mathematically it's done. You can
It's
catch
done,
fire.
it's
It
done.
says you guys have to buy me something from Pirates shop.
Mapagani nakho-ke.
Yes, have to buy me something from Pirates shop. That's the initial agreement.
Leyo sizoyichecka.
Yeah, kumele si double check.
Mara ukuthi it's done is done.
It's done, yeah. It's done with one game to go, Mapagania. You see, it's what do they call it? Farmers League.
Farmers League.
There's no competition.
At least ukosi kube mesithi mina ngiyamisela mama ku 15 le ukosamba ku 21 sila ulambi mfethu.
It's a game to go, of it.
Touching distance, lo muntu. Touching
It's
distance.
not even touchy. And I'm only going to stretch the gap come that game. But it's fine, Ghost. You can carry on doing your job, Chief.
Hi. No, that's the lock, Mapagania. Mina nomqeqeshi, we still tight. Fire ushaya nga 4 points bafethu. So, yeah. Singamnika uyithathile indebe. Singamshayela izandla Mr Mlamba ngazi senzani. Guard of honor.
Asimshaye.
Simgadi.
Thank you.
Asinakwali.
Mapagania, please chip in, Buffett. Bosandile, we need you on this log, Buffett. I don't have a challenge in the studio. Hey, no challenge in the studio.
Yabona ukwina komuntu omnyama Ghost.
Hey, no challenge in the
Asana challenge
studio.
manje.
Ngikutshelile mina Mr Mlamba ngala ma prediction wakho. Ngathi Mr Mlamba uzosibangela lento esibona manje.
Yama prediction nami.
I was 7 I was 16. No way.
Usolani. Masina tsadingana.
Mr Mlamba ulasha di steps. 2 3 4 5.
Uye meka nokuthi yes na. Uye meka nokuthi 6 mapagania aqeda ukuthi nil 5 mapagania ukuthi 1-1 aqeda usola mina
Ghost ufana usibana ngigeso yake.
uyageza Ghost uyageza kapheki game
Ele yakaya wakwaza la number 1.
yo
6.
hayi bethwe bethwe kakhulu bethwe
Manchayisile nikhuluma kahle. Chayisa. Mama next season.
Ngiphinda futhi next season. Ovid College versus Orlando Pirates. It's 2-0 win to Orlando Pirates.
Twist player.
hayi baba kuya
Kuya wena.
Seburu kujamba. 3.
hayi kuya wena
3 Orlando Pirates.
hawu
Twist
ayafana seyiphelile
Yafa.
Obithi naye mfethu funa asobasha ngoqhwashi 1-0
Yeah. Step there. 1 2 3.
uwohlala uyenza leyo uwohlala uyenza
But you just proved this point.
If I carry 2 carry 4. Utor 3.
mina ngibheka igame baba ukuthi njani mina ngipredict igame
That's why kinalo throw off nje 6-0. Kimona ba confused.
manje nokuthi 6-0 ngiyasho ukuthi 5
Awubatiza
ngiyasho ukuthi
ngiyakuphi.
5 ayikho lento eyishoyo
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've reached the end of the show, Mapagania. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, Mapagania.
yeah it's been a journey mapagania sesizoyiqeda goes le ndebe vula inhliziyo ndoda fire vula inhliziyo
Utlile na reka post match interview kero re revule di interview.
mina ngithemthukile
Naruthukile.
azangathi ngivala inhliziyo ngivula inhliziyo mina ngiyasho namanje ngithusile intanga yesterday we supposed to win you understand ngithukile ngithuswe le results cause like bonile intanga we confident ukuthi hayi by now you understand manje iyangithusa le results but inhliziyo Ghost ayivulekile you understand and manje nami ngithukile ukuthi manje why ngithi ngithukile ngoba thina sinavalo uyangithola yeah sinavalo but like it's been a journey Ghost mfethu siyiphusha lento lena namabhakaniya sesizoqeda sibagayi content emnandi
Sesiqhubeka singayi content emnandi, Mapagania.
content emnandi and thanks for the love bafethu. Thanks for the love. Yeah.
Thank you Mapagania. Yeah, machita sewayibekile bafethu. Let's continue to like, share and subscribe. Sihlanganeni eMbombela bafethu, siphakamisa indebe nabafana bafethu. Sivaleni Mapagania bupha.